Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel, the Forex Nexus. In this video, we will explain about the BBMA Multi time frame analysis, and especially we will discuss about the codes, that how we will identify codes on multiple time frames. First of all, let's make a checklist. This is BBMA code, reentry on first time frame, extreme on second time frame, MHV on third time frame. Okay, now the time frame is here. You can see here, suppose we identify a re-entry after CSD or CSM on monthly time frame, so we will focus on, so the first code is R re-entry. On second time frame we need extreme, so the second time frame is weekly. This one is E. It's mean extreme on weekly time frame. Okay, on third time frame it's daily. It means third time frame we need to wait for the MHV, or the MHV extreme already formed. Now the MHV is forming, so we need a stoppage on MHV zone. So this code is REM, reentry extreme M, MHV. Now let's see on daily time frame. If you identify a re-entry after CSD or CSM on daily time frame, okay, so on daily it's a re-entry on H4 second time frame. We need extreme and we need MHV on H1 time frame. Okay, now H4, if we got re-entry on H4 time frame, so the first time frame will be H4. So the identification of re-entry on H4, or on H1 we need extreme on H1, right? On M15 we will wait for the MHV. Because why MHV? Because the extreme has been formed on M15. Now these two codes, re-entry extreme, are matching at the same point of MHV on M15. So this will be REM REM, re-entry extreme MHV. Now if we got extreme on H1 time frame, re-entry CSD or CSM, this is a re-entry. M15 we will get extreme here on second time frame, and MHV on M5. If this criteria meets on any time frame, suppose on monthly, so we need extreme on weekly, daily MHV. If re-entry is on daily, we need extreme on H4. If the re-entry is on daily, on H4 time frame, we need extreme on H1, MHV on MLV on M15. Extreme after the CSD or CSM on H1 time frame, we need to on first time frame, if it's H1, if it's H4, if it's daily, if it's monthly, if it's on weekly. Suppose we got a re-entry on weekly time frame, what will we do? The second time frame will be daily and the third time frame will be H4. Okay, on H4 we will look for a MHV. Now let's move to the second time frame. Here the second code REE, re-entry on second time frame, and E means extreme. So this code is R re-entry on second time frame, re-entry on third time frame we got re-entry. If the re-entry is on a monthly time frame, so on weekly time frame it will also the market will reacting to EMA 510 high or low to give us giving a re-entry. On daily time frame we will get extreme. Okay, so on daily we will get re-entry. On H4 we will there will be also a re-entry. On H1 there will be extreme. On H4 time frame, if there is a re-entry, must be re-entry on H1 time frame, and there will be extreme on M15. Okay, this is just a codes to identify how you will make a multi-time frame analysis and which code is forming at that time. On H1, if there is a re-entry, M15 must be re-entry, and there will be extreme on M5. M15 we don't count M30 and BBMA because it's much similar with the H1 time frame, so there is no need of using M30 as a confirmation for any code. Okay, now this is the third one, re-entry extreme. Re-entry extreme. Re-entry on second time frame we will get extreme. On third time frame we will get re-extreme. This one, first and the third one code, we always get these two types. Remember, we always get these two types, re-entry extreme MLV or re-entry extreme. Okay, mostly the market is forming these types of codes. Now on daily time frame, if you got re-entry, so there will be extreme on H4 time frame and there will be extreme on third time frame. On H4 we will get a re-entry. First time frame, remember one thing, just on you just need to focus on first time frame. If you got re-entry on first time frame, then you identify the second time frame, that which code is forming. Is there is a re-entry RRE on second time frame, there is a re-entry, or there is extreme, or there is MHV point, something you will must find there on second time frame. So once the second time frame you done, then wait for the third time frame. If it's re-entry on daily time frame, so the third time frame is H1. Must focus on H1. If you got the stoppage there, so the code will be completed and you can take your entry after CSAK, or if you go aggressive, then you can take a trade on MHV zone or extreme point, whatever the code is. Here H4 re-entry. So on H1 we need extreme, on third time frame M15 we need also extreme. On H1, if re-entry happens after CST or CSM, we need extreme on M15 and we also need extreme on M5 time frame. Now this one is the fourth one, the RRE. Okay, you will get a double extreme on third time frame here, but it rarely happens. Remember, it rarely happens. On first time frame always look for a re-entry. On second time frame there will be MHV. Okay, and third time frame there will be extreme and double extreme. The market will make double extreme like double top. Okay, so then you can take a trade here at this point. If the market is on daily time frame, you got a re-entry, then check out on second time frame H4 there will be MHV. On third time frame there will be extreme, double extreme. Number 3 is H4 time frame re-entry. extreme MHV on H1 time frame and double extreme on third time frame. So this is the BBMA full code, you can see here. And now let's back to the chart. Okay, this is gold H4. Now H1, we need extreme here. Okay, on M15 the market is also making extreme. So if the market tested the MA 510 high and got rejection here, so the code will be REE, because reentry on H4, H1 also reentry, and here we got the extreme on M15. So this is the, now here is this is a reentry on H4 time frame. Here we got the re-entry on H4 after the momentum, and H1 time frame we need extreme here, so we just need a rejection here. On M15 we will get, already we got extreme, so here we will get the MHV. So this code will be REM, re-entry extreme MHV. So without these codes you can't identify any setup, because BBMA is completely completely capturing the market with these codes. If we got if the code is completed here and we got stoppage, we identifying stoppage with the help of Bollinger Band. If we got stoppage here, so the code will be extreme plus MLV on a third time frame. So the code is REM, re-entry on H4, extreme on H1, and third time frame we got MHV, so the code is REM. So these are the codes. The students was asking about these codes, that because they were getting confused about these codes, how to analyze the market with the help of these codes. So these are the simple codes you can watch. If you didn't understand, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you are new, first time watching our channel, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons. Thank you for watching the video.